Begin by selecting an active task. Make and save your changes. Create, modify, and delete parts. Run the scadv transfer task changes to project command. Select the task you want to transfer the modified parts by. Select the project you wish to transfer the parts to. You will be shown a brief summary of how many parts will be created, updated, as well as deleted. You have the option of seeing more details on what is going to be transferred. You can start the transfer. Log files of various details are created during the transfer. Now all the transferred parts have been updated in the destination project.